I don't know how to describe this. It's like velvet towel material. Is it like a swimsuit cover up? It's got an open back. And it's 99 cents. You almost have to buy it just because, what in the hell is it? It's the craziest thing ever. So I feel like I just had a really good thrift haul. I didn't buy anything majorly spectacular, but there is one piece that I'm pretty stoked about. It may turn out to be nothing, but it was pretty fun. There's my ride. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just got back from the thrift store and I scored some really cute pieces, and I can't wait to show you what all I got. Stay tuned. Before we get into the thrift haul, let me introduce myself. My name is Angie, and my channel is all about life improvement. I thrift, I flip, I sell on Poshmark, I do nutrition coaching, I run a gym, I love to organize, and all of those things are fair game on this channel. And I hope you stick around and learn a little bit. It was a good day. Yeah, I found a lot of things. A couple of things I'm going to keep. A couple of things I'm going to list on Poshmark. If you've never heard of Poshmark, it is an online selling app for clothes, fashion. If you don't have an account and you would like to open one, use my name, Doodle Turtle. And that gives you, I think, $5 off your first purchase. It may be $10. And then they give me a $5 credit. I also sell on Mercari. I'll put a link below for Mercari if you use my link. Again, they give you $5 or $10 off your first purchase. And then Mercari, they give me $2. I mean, $2 is better than nothing, but they give me $2. So, full disclosure, I do get a little kickback if you use my link, but you get more. So, let's get into this haul today. I'm going to try to go straight through today with very little editing so that we can get this uploaded quickly. The first thing I came across is a Tommy Hilfiger men's extra large shirt. Tommy Hilfiger is coming back. It's got the flag on the pocket. It's coming back. People are really liking it. It's getting popular again. This one feels like it's never been worn. It still has that nice, crisp, solid feeling. I'll probably get it up today because that'll be a quick list. If you're interested, put your Posh Closet below and I can tag you in it. Okay, this next item, I have been stalking at Goodwill for probably 3 weeks. I saw it and I thought it was really cute, but I was waiting for it to go on sale, and since it was Orange Day, it was on sale. This is a really fun dress. It is Altered State is the brand, which is a boutique brand, and we have some really great boutiques around here. I just think it's really pretty, kind of bohemian. It's going up on Poshmark, but if it's still here by the time warm weather rolls around, yeah, it might be mine. Might have to keep it. I just think it's cute. All right, the next item I got kind of excited about. It's vintage Christian Dior Monsieur. If I can find you the label, you'll know what I'm talking about. Christian Dior Monsieur. From my understanding, and I don't know a lot about this brand, I think Monsieur is like Christian Dior's leisure wear or loungewear, ties, things of that nature. This one it's in used condition. You know, it's got some frayed pieces. I didn't even show you what it was. It's a robe. It's a really nice, it's polyester, but it's a nice house robe. My husband, he really enjoys robes, so if it hasn't sold by warm weather time, I may have to make him a deal like I did myself with that dress and let him have it. But the comps on this are pretty good. There was one that sold just like this for a very nice price. So I think I'm going to be able to make a nice little purchase. Gonna make a nice little profit on that to pay for the stuff I keep when I go shopping. So I was pretty stoked about that. This next item, it's another one that is really cute and I really like it, and I'm gonna try it on and it may be mine. It is Melly, New York. I've never heard of that. Honestly, I don't think it's anything special. But it's so colorful. It's just a pretty little top. This is, yeah, this is the front with the little keyhole and the brush strokes and the little stripe around the bottom. I just think this is really pretty. And I think it would be really pretty on. So I'm a little undecided about this one. It will probably be listed for sale, but you're going to hear this a lot today. If warm weather rolls around and I still have it, it's probably going to be mine. Next up on the list, another Tommy Hilfiger. This is a Tommy Hilfiger extra small, new with tags polo shirt. It's just a nice purple polo. It is new with tags in that it has the button tag on it. Authentic, easy fit. It doesn't have the price tags on it. This is another one that I saw a couple weeks ago and I thought about getting, but I waited till Orange Day. But I mean, it's just a good little basic, especially if your child goes to school and they need uniforms. It's a nice little top because I don't think, it does have a logo on it, but it's not real big. So depending on the rules for your school uniform. But I thought that was a nice little find. Okay. I really like this shirt, y'all. Again, I may wind up keeping it. It was an orange tag, White House Black Market, size small. It is a little sweater, I guess, top. I love these sleeves. I think they're so cute. Bat sleeves, maybe. I've got to look up my vernacular on that one. But I just think this is so pretty. And I think if you put even black, like a black pretty lace bralette underneath it, I think would be really pretty. So unfortunately, this is another one that I may keep because it's so pretty. Today was a day where like everything is I want to keep. Okay, this is another shirt. Doesn't really have a big name brand, but I thought it was pretty. This is Live and Let Live. Medium. It is a tank top with just some pretty dusty colors, kind of Aztec-inspired colors, I think. Now, the cool thing about this is it's got the split back. So you have your tank top, and then it's got this split back. Really pretty piece. I like it a lot. It is polyester, so you don't have to worry about it, you know, getting all wrinkly and getting all yucky. Gonna list this for sale. I'll probably have it up today because it'll be a pretty quick list. Just measure all that stuff. And again, anything that you're interested in, comment your posh closet below and I can tag you in it when I list it. I found a couple coats today. Fun, fun. This is an LL Bean rain jacket. It is a women's petite small. And it is navy blue. I love it. It's got the nice sleeves with the nice button detail on the sleeves. It zips up. It is in excellent condition. I just think it's very, very, classic. It's just a classic raincoat. Nice hood. Nice back. And again, for the 18th time today, if it doesn't sell, I'm keeping it. This jacket is so interesting. I think it would be super warm. I mean, I haven't tried it on yet. It is Weatherproof Garment Company. It is a brown jacket with the nipped in waist, pink lining, and I just think this is awesome. I know it's hard to describe. It's lightweight, but it feels like it would be really warm, and because it's got that nipped in waist, it wouldn't make you look like the Michelin Man. It has pockets. And I think that this is really, really cute. It will be listed on Poshmark fairly soon. It's in great shape. I don't really see any major signs of wear. I was pretty tickled with this. It was also an orange tag. Everything I bought today was an orange tag except for one thing I bought for myself. Yep. And I bought this for myself because I just thought it was pretty. It's a robe. It is LAI design. It is absolutely nothing special as far as brand goes. I just thought it was really pretty. So it's just a little kimono type robe. The belt is missing, but I don't think I'll have any problem finding a ribbon or something like that to hold it. I just thought this was pretty. So there's 2 things officially in this pile that I'm saying, yes, they're mine. And then there's probably 8 that I'm saying they might be mine if they don't sell. So that was my thrift haul today. I'll be getting these listed on Poshmark and Mercari throughout the week. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my finds, and I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel so that you'll get more of my thrifting videos. Like I said earlier, I also talk about health and nutrition, and I'd love it if you'd stick around. So you guys have a great day. Come back soon. Stay strong, y'all. Bye. Yeah, I'm just sitting around here watching airplanes.